All right, this review is going to be on this wireless remote control socket by BN Link. Now this comes with 5 different outlets and 2 different remotes. Let me show you here. You get 2 remotes just like this. So each little socket has a number on it, and it corresponds with the number on your remote. And so real simple. You have an on and off for each number. Like I said, you will have 5 of them, and it does come with 2 of the batteries for both of the remotes. So you have 2 remotes and 5 of these plugs. And I already got some set up. You have one set up on my light back here, so I think that's my number 2. Oh, nope, that's my number 1. All right, so I got that on number 1, and then I got a light over here. That's my number 2. And then I got another light back behind my computer, which is number 3, that I can turn on and off. And I can turn that on and off. Pretty simple, really nice. I'm not sure how far away I can do this. I think I could probably go in the other room. Let me see. Let me go like, I'll let you watch that one there. Where's that one? All right, that's 1. And I'll go about 10, 15 feet away, see if it turns on and off. Yep, easy. Let me go further. That's crazy. Still works. I don't know how far you can go away from these, but I'm quite sure you can go pretty good distance away and they still work. Normally I would just have this in the same room, so definitely think these are good. I think you would like them. I definitely highly recommend these. They work really, really good. Hope this review helped you out. Thanks for watching.